everyone, welcome back to Divya's Leisure Hub. Hope you all are doing well. Today I bought a recipe which keeps you well and healthy. So nothing else, it's energy bars, and it is homemade energy bars. We get energy bars in the market also, but yes, of course they have preservatives. So this is the energy bars, nutritious, healthy and preservative free. So for making energy bar we need 50 gram of chopped almond, 20 gram of chopped walnut and cashews, 10 gram of white sesame seeds, 5 gram of chia seeds, 13 gram of pumpkin seed, 13 gram of sunflower seeds. Here as a sweetener I have used chopped dates and chopped fig. So this is 50 gram dates and this is 30 grams of chopped fig. Here the next one is 10 gram of dry strawberries, 20 gram of chopped cranberries, 1 gram of salt and 50 ml of water. So first we take a pan and we put the fig and the dates into it. Then we'll pour 50 ml of water. Now we have to cook it and make it in a jelly form in a low flame. So meanwhile we'll roast the nuts at 180 degree for 5 to 7 minutes. So I have covered the tin with a parchment paper and then I have arranged all the nuts. So now you can see they are getting cooked and now they will become soft, so it will be easy to mash them. So we will cook it for another 2 minutes. So now you can see they are cooked well, and we'll keep it aside so that it cools down. So we'll transfer the seeds into a bowl. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds. So here we added all the 4 seeds, and these seeds we are not going to roast because the roasted nuts, when they are hot enough, we will add into this bowl, and with that heat itself these seeds will be roasted. So now our nuts are roasted, so we'll take them out and put it into the bowl directly. Now we'll stir them well so that the seeds will also get roasted. Now into this we are going to add the berries and the salt and give a nice mix. Now into this we are going to add the dates and fig. Now we'll combine them nicely. Now you can see it is mixed well. So now we will transfer them into the same tin with the parchment paper and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. See, I spread them like this, and you can press with the spoon on the top portion so that it becomes even and around half an inch of thickness. Now we will refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours.
After refrigeration, you can cut into your desired pieces. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.